it smells so good. I'm so excited. I'm doing my first ever unboxing with Empress shoes, and the box got a little messed up because I've waited a couple days to do this, and I guess it's just like I accidentally ripped it like a couple times, but I wanted to save it to unbox it with you. And definitely stay till the end of the video because I'm styling them because I love to style everything. And then I also have a discount code if you like these shoes. They have them in different colors too, so let's get to the unboxing. What's really cool about these shoes is that they're created for like comfort and style, which I feel like honestly is really hard to find because like literally none of my shoes actually fit me correctly, but that's because I have like wide feet and that causes all my shoes to not fit me. So I'm excited about these because they're supposed to fit like wide feet, and because it has like a square toe, it's supposed to help even more. And honestly, I've never owned a square toe shoe before, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. I mean, honestly, who decided that like shoes should be narrow? Because it's so unnatural. Like I don't think anyone's foot actually goes narrow. And this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. Look at the little bunny, and I'm so excited to see what they look like. Oh my god, they gave me a little rose. How cute is this? Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, ooh. And for the moment we've been waiting for. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I cannot wait to try these on. So like I was saying before, I've never had a square toe before, and this is definitely gonna help me with my flat feet because like I have penguin feet. They actually have multiple colors too, but I decided to get black because, you know, black matches everything. But they had a pair of red ones I really liked. And then they also gave me these, I forgot what they're called. They're for comfort. You put them in your shoes and they're supposed to like make them so much more comfortable, especially good for people who have flat feet like me. I literally have all the problems. I have flat feet and wide feet, so comfort is a problem for me for almost all shoes. And they gave me a little cute bag, Empress tote bag. I really love the color. Purple is literally my favorite color. Okay, I think it's time to try the shoes on. But before we try the shoes on, let's look at this flower again because it's just like so cute. I love this. So I'm thinking of doing a little spring look because spring is literally here and it's starting to get nicer. And I think I'm gonna do this cheetah skirt because like maxi skirts are the cutest. And I have a super cute black top. I know I'm kind of doing like a black brown outfit, but we'll make it work. Okay, so here is the little spring fit, and like I'm loving this top with the skirt. I've never paired it together. So now we're gonna try on the shoes. These shoes, oh my gosh, they fit so well. Like the square toe definitely helps with my abnormally weird wide feet. And the style is actually so cute. Honestly, I'm like literally about to just buy myself only square toe shoes. This outfit is such a vibe now. Well, now that I actually tried on the shoes, super comfortable, easy to slip on, and the leather is so comfortable. It actually, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but when you first buy shoes, the back hurts so bad. These, because it's leather, it actually feels like super smooth and definitely is gonna help with those back blisters that like usually get with like normal shoes. What's so great about these shoes too is that they actually come in all different sizes and like I said before, widths because of my unnatural feet. And they come also narrow if you do have like really small feet, which if you do, you're lucky. You can fit into a lot of cute shoes. Since you stayed this long, finally here is the discount code on the screen. Use this to get $10 off your first purchase within the next 45 days. Put the link down below, so if you want to shop for them or look around, definitely click that link below. They have these shoes in multiple sizes, and like I said, they have a really pretty red pair if you're someone who likes red shoes. And they also have ones that aren't heels, they have flats too. Thank you for watching my first ever unboxing. Like this was so much fun. I can't wait to do more of these, and I hope you buy the shoes because they are amazing, so comfortable, and really cute and stylish with the square toe. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna buy square toes now on. Bye!